Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Zanita. Please make sure you do me a couple of favors. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. And if this is not your cup of tea, make sure you share this video. Okay guys, so today begins my series of how-to. So basically we're going to do a brow tutorial. This is an updated brow tutorial because I recently did a brow tutorial. Well, not recently, but it's been a couple of years. So some things have changed just slightly, but pretty much some things are still the same. But I'm going to show you how to do your brows if you wear glasses. So let's get started. All right, so you need a couple of things. You want your brow pencil, whatever pencil of your choice. Today I'm using the Mented Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade Brow Down, which is a deep brown shade. Then I have a brow powder, and you don't necessarily have to use a brow powder, but sometimes I like to set my brows with this brow powder, so I go for that. And then I also have the NYX Thicket Brow Mascara, and this is in the shade Espresso. And once again, you don't have to use this. Although I don't have a lot of brow hairs, this comes in handy to really set the brows in place. And then you want concealer to clean up around your brows. So today my concealer shade of choice is DG6 from LYS Beauty, and this is to basically clean up the top of my brows. And then of course my NARS Soft Matte Complete concealer in the shade Walnut, and this is like for under my brows, but y'all gonna see all of that, so let's stop rambling. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get you some micellar water, and I like to take that on a Q-tip on one side and then just clean my brows to get any oils out, because I do get oily. So this is how I prep my brows. Okay, then I'm just gonna take the other side and just take that excess moisture off. So then I go ahead and take the spoolie side of my brow pencil and kind of brush my hairs up and get any more moisture out of them. And like I said, I have very thin brow hairs, almost to the point where they're like non-existent. And what I like to do is, the way I brush my brow hairs, I like to kind of flick and make brow hairs, and I just follow the shape of my brow. And also your glasses can be a great guide for where to start your brow. So then once I kind of get little hairs, and I go to the bottom and kind of draw a line. That way I can create my arch, because I have now. And I need to get my brows cleaned up, but because I don't have a lot of hairs, I don't necessarily go and get them waxed or threaded or anything like that often. So now I just continue to kind of flick. Then I'll go across the top and also draw another line, creating that arch. And I like to do like small strokes when I do that, because if I draw it too fast, then the arch might not be right. But this takes a while, so don't get discouraged. Okay. Okay, so then I just continue to kind of shade it in. And real light strokes towards the front, because we don't want our brows to be too dark in the front. Okay, that one looks good. So then what I do next is I go in with the brow mascara to set the brow hairs I have. And this again is the shade Espresso, and I just do a light coat. Just a real light coat. There we go. And sometimes using this brow mascara can take away some product from the pencil. So that's why I like to go in next with the NYX. This is the Lift and Snatch brow tint pen in the shade Espresso. And I just use it to flick even more hairs. So I kind of let this dry down a little bit and I just flick more hairs. That's what we're gonna do. Flick more hairs with a real light hand, because this stuff is pretty pigmented, not pigment. So that's that. Real light strokes to kind of fill in where it's kind of sparse. And if you got thick brow hairs, then you probably just need this. You don't have to go so much. Okay, so that's that. I'm taking the shade Ebony from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just gonna take this lighter shade here and just take my angled brush and dab it in there, and then just apply it over the brows. That way it can take away any oils that may come throughout the day, and it just makes the brow look even more cleaner and sleek. So just a couple of dabs, and that's that. The brows looking cute today. All right, so my next step, I'm gonna take my concealer, and this is the same shade as me, so this is DG6, and I'm gonna take that and use it on above my brows to clean up there. Normally if I'm gonna wear foundation, I would use the foundation to clean up of the top of my brows, but sometimes I use a concealer if y'all watch my videos. But I take this flat shader brush that I got from Ruby Kisses. It's very flat, and y'all can find this actually in the beauty supply store. That's where I got it from. Y'all know, the black person's for Sephora before Sephora was a thing for us. Okay. So just taking that, and I'm just gonna take a little bit and just follow the shape of the brow, clean it up, and make sure we do not cut off that tail, because I've done that before. Then I have to kind of go back and fix and pencil it in and whatnot. So just that, and I just blend it out, kind of flick it out, and then I take my fluffy brush and blend. Okay, so then I take that same brush on the other side, and I'm gonna take the NARS Soft Matte, and this is to kind of brighten under my eye. So just take a little bit of this goes a long way. It's thick. You want to go at least one shade lighter than your actual skin tone if you want to brighten it up to make it look like you just got your brows done. So this is why people do that. So once again, just a little, and follow the shape, and just be careful. And you might have to take your glasses off for this. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glasses off. You're gonna take that other brush and blend. And as you can see, the side that's complete and the side that's not, and we're just going to do the exact same thing on the opposite eye. And remember, when you are doing the other eye, that they're not going to be identical twins. Remember, these are cousins. Okay guys, so this is what the brows are looking like, and to get rid of that kind of like boxy look, I just take the brow pencil and take the spoolie on the end and just kind of feather it through a little bit to give it like a ombre look. And I know of course we said it, but it's gonna look good so it doesn't look so boxy. Some people like the boxy look, but it's all about your preference. That is it. I'm gonna zoom you guys in some more and get up a little closer. And this is what the brows look like. So cute, so cute, so cute. And we'll zoom out. So this is how I do my brows while wearing glasses. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up, share this video because sharing is caring, and until next time, bye y'all.